Hi, I'm John Peter from Star Automations. Today I want to talk about servo motor and why their repair is crucial for your manufacturing unit. These servo motors are backbones of your automation, but when they fail, it can stop your entire production line. At Star Automation, we are specialized in repairing and replacing servo motors from brands like AB, Delta, Panasonic, Siemens and many more. Many of these motors are obsolete, no longer available new and don't have manufacturer support. But we have certified, tested spare parts to get them run again. Instead of long downtime, we offer a quick repair and immediate replacement backed by our own warranty. This means you keep your operation smooth without worrying about finding parts aren't in the market anymore. Our team is skilled in fixing even the most complex issues. And because these parts are tested and certified by us, you can trust they will work like new. At Star Automation, we ensure business keep running even when dealing with obsolete parts. Contact us today to know more about our repair service and certified spare part. Let's keep your factory moving forward together.